Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create user account on ASUS TUF Gaming laptop. To do this, first you will need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, then open apps or actually accounts, then scroll down and look for other users. Select it, then you'll be able to add account. Now there's two options. You can either create an account or log in to account. So if you want to log in, then enter the email address for that account, then enter the password and it should be added. Now if you want to add account without any Microsoft account, then just click on I don't have this person sign in information. Then add user without Microsoft account, and right here you'll be able to enter their username. You can also enter the password and re-enter the password. If you want this user without password, then just leave those two lines empty. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.